It's Christmas and it seems we have a visitor. So Senna, are you ready to make a Christmas dinner for our Fri-Jado family?
Ho 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 ho!
Today we make lamb rack with a botanical crust, some roasted butternut squash with shallots, and some underground jewels with rosemary and bacon. My boss doesn't like it when I cook too culinary, but it's Christmas, right? We start with the potatoes and the Jerusalem artichoke. I prefer to peel them and leave a little bit of skin. It's right under the skin where we find the most vitamins, and it adds some extra texture to your product. For the butternut squash, first peel them, afterwards we cut them into pieces. Let's put these in the TDR rotisserie together with the potatoes. For the herbal crust, we're gonna add some panko and parmigiano into the food processor. Afterwards, we add the parsley to give it that real nice green color. If the lamb is colored, add a layer of mustard. In this way, your botanical crust will stick much better. Add those in the rotisserie for 10 to 15 minutes. Another way to show you that the possibilities are endless.